Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you're new to my channel, my name is Hassan. And guys, we just got our parrots out of our cage, but Ben, the green one, Hassan's one, is getting out of control. My one yellow, Olivia, she's like this vibing. Okay, show me the camera. Hold the camera.
I'm not gonna hold the camera.
Then how will they see the parrots, huh?
Like that. We'll just put them up.
Oh, Olivia got some. Oh no, why did you move it? Oh, Hassan, so man. Then why did you move it? Oh, what's popping? Olivia, something wrong. All she wants to do is just eat.
Make your bat move. Mine's gonna jump. Yeah, he jumped. For no reason.
Let me try to get it up on my shoulder. No, actually.
I'm wearing gloves because it uses its peaks to fly. Oh, okay. That's why it just jump.
Okay, guys. So now these parrots are now part of our family. So now our family is 6. Me, my mom, my dad.
Oh, you're saying the yellow's trying to get up? The yellow's up. He wants to come with mine.
Hey, Olivia, say hi to the camera, yeah? Olivia, say hi to the camera. Oh, she said hi. Said hi.
Oh, green, say hi to the camera. Hi. Yeah,
It's getting windy.
yeah, man. Yellow's so chubby.
Oi, Hassan, take out my glove because I want to see if it's cold or not. It's not that cold. Give it back. Give it back.
Feel mine. Feel mine.
It's normal. Olivia, she just stays still, like a loyal bird.
Man, the green one doesn't chill.
So guys, if you wanna know if your parrot's like girl or a boy, oh, it's getting up on my shoulder. Please get back down. Please get back down.
Then let it
Look at the feathers. If it's like very long, like this one, it's a girl. Let's get its feathers together.
If you want birds, we have to ham chain them. There are only 2. Luckily, we booked them.
Yeah.
So, okay, you want to get them on our shoulder?
Mine's pure yellow.
Okay, put
Okay,
this
you
on
get
my
it on
shoulder.
your shoulder then.
No,
get it
you
on
put it on my shoulder. Oh, no.
What do you mean? Okay, I'll try to put it on your shoulder.
Actually, take it off.
I got 2 of them on my hands.
Ah!
Olivia's chilling, man.
Ben, you better relax. Chill, man, chill.
Yeah, I don't think that's handsome. Hassan, don't do that! Oh my gosh! Do you want them to die?
No?
Yeah, that's what I thought. Then don't stop doing that.
Oh, that's mine. Don't
These were the only left that ham tamed, so we can't get another ham tamed.
You gotta be chilling, bro.
Olivia, she just has to.
Oh my god.
Gosh, man.
Zane! Fall down.
Oh, just tap on its back. Tap on its back.
I am, but it's keep on jumping. See?
Olivia's fine to me.
Ben is not fun.
Oh! Oh, that scared me. That scared me so bad, man.
No, Zane. Give it back. Yeah.
Hassan, don't squish it. Hold it properly.
You're the one who pushed.
Olivia wants to eat again. She's always just so hungry.
Eat, Ben. Eat. Oh. Oh.
Stop doing
Holy.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, eat.
Stop
Eat.
doing that.
Don't get up. Eat. Yeah. Eat. Eat.
Don't! Oh, man.
Ugh. Bah.
Olivia, she doesn't eat food. She just eats the crumbs of it.
Bah.
Why do you keep saying bruh, bruh, bruh?
Because you did.
It's not a bird, it's a pet.
No, it's my bird. It's a boy. And it's you. I'm gonna do the bird massage.
I swear, it's so boring watching them do things, but when you hold them,
Eat.
fun.
Eat. Eat. Eat.
It's Olivia's eating and then spitting out food that she doesn't want to eat. Look, also move your head. See, you see that? She's spitting it out. See, she's spitting it out on my hand. I wanted to get on my hand, but she did. Again, she's spitting it out. Move your head.
Nah, Olivia's more better than Ben.
The first time Olivia came, she started biting my dad's hands like over here and over here.
So it's like,
But now she's perfectly fine.
So
And now my
then
brother
you-
wants me to switch. No, I'm doing it no matter what.
and look up. No, Albert invincibility 2 times. And
Oh wow, now you're bringing up games now. I'm fine, man. I have lots of money in games too.
I'll give you Shadow Dragonfly,
I already can buy one.
but not fly.
Just be quiet.
Then you'll get a like flower giraffe
I'm
and
gonna train my griffin and adopt me for
ride fish.
for fly.
That's a bad trade, man. You told the son that a ride person for a fly is a bad trade.
Nice fair.
You said it's bad. Bird massage. Can I sit here, please?
No, I'm
You
fine.
sit here yesterday too.
Okay.
Yeah,
Alhamdulillah. Bless me. Stop! You're so get off! You're so heavy. Ooh, finally, what is it? Don't touch my parrot.
Why? I wanna. Got a problem? It's
Oh,
not
I got
yours.
Olivia on my hands. Yeah, it is mine.
You think you can get yours?
Hello. Come on, Chua. Come on, Chua. The parrot is just looking. Olivia, she's just looking at the camera and she's like, what?
Ben,
What's this?
you gotta be chilling. And if you jump,
I think he wants to do something else rather than getting me. Olivia? Stop! I don't know why you even got a parrot, man. You're the one who said, oh, mom, dad, can you buy me a parrot? And now you don't even use it properly.
I'm using it. You're the one not
Stop being
using
so
it.
aggressive to it.
I wanna. It's so annoying.
Guys, if Olivia wants to get on my hands, she like acts before she does it. She just like leaps, but she doesn't jump. Don't touch my parrot.
Okay, the green.
Every time I get banned, the green parrot is perfectly fine, man.
But for me now.
It's because you don't handle them properly.
And you done. Now shush and be quiet.
Nah, I have a mouth to speak.
Yeah, and you have a mouth to shut your mouth.
Okay, no one never said that this is a resting video.
Yeah.
Don't move the cage, please, Hassan.
I'm just getting them phone. Should I
Come on,
put the
Olivia.
water?
No, man. They're just eating. Don't do that, don't. Please. She's so aggressive. You know your back's showing?
Oh!
Oh my
Oh,
gosh!
no, it's getting wet.
You're wasting water!
But they didn't do it. I can put this. Easy, okay?
Why are you even
Because I want in a shush. Shut your mouth. Side that.
Hold up, bro.
No, we're not doing a respecting, okay? We're just doing the patch. How long has the video been on 9 minutes, 50 seconds.
You know, Olivia, she's just staring. Why don't I get her off? Olivia.
And she's gonna jump.
No, she leaves. She doesn't like on.
Ben, come
Guys,
here.
I'm not putting my parrot up high because like if it gets hurt. I'm just showing it to to the camera.
Oh no.
Oh, see? That's what she does. She acts and then she gets down. She didn't even jump. She hasn't even lost in one feather. And Hassan, this guy lost like 20 feathers already, man.
Because it jumped so much.
Guys, I'm sorry if this bores you. Makes you bored.
Oh!
Or like it makes you bored.
Oh no,
I'm
she
sorry.
got out. Oh, I know what it
Anyways,
wants to do.
guys.
Put it here. It wants to get
Guys,
here.
that's it. Please make sure like and subscribe. See you in my next video. How come you ahead? See you in my next video. Peace out. Olivia said bye.